Captivating China. It is widely acknowledged that the four great inventions of ancient China, paper, printing, gunpowder, and the compass, changed the world forever. Tea, silk, and fireworks too belong to the same land, and so do Jack Ma of Alibaba Group, Bruce Lee, Sun Tzu, and many others in modern times. Chinese culture in ancient rich and has deep roots. The Chinese put their heart, mind, and soul into even the smallest of acts. This is the secret of their success. China, also called Zhongguo, the Middle Kingdom, by its people, is the extremely large country, first in population and fifth in area in the world. The customs, traditions, food, and language of its people vary by geography and ethnicity. The Hans, the Tibetans, the Mongols, and the Manchus comprise the Chinese population, which is 1.4 billion. Many Chinese practice Taoism and Confucianism and other traditional religions. There are also small numbers of Buddhist, Muslim, and Christians. The Chinese language is the world's only remaining pictographic language in common use, with thousands of characters making up the written language. 71% of Chinese speak Mandarin and the rest speak variations of Chinese language. Wu, Cantonese, Hakka, Gan, Zhejiang, etc. These are as different from each other as Italian and French. Many Chinese are also fluent in English. Chinese food is very unlike what we eat in India. Rice, bean, sprouts, cabbage, tofu, and noodles are staples in Chinese meals that also rely heavily on the use of peanuts, sesame paste, and ginger. The Chinese eat a lot of meat. In fact, anything of four legs except cars and anything that flies except airplanes. The Chinese culture is extremely old, deeply traditional, and rich. Many festivals to date revolve around family, ancestors, and gods. The Spring Festival marks the beginning of the Lunar New Year and is celebrated to honor the ancestors. The 15-day holiday makes every Chinese return home for a family reunion. Fireworks and parades features dancers dressed as dragons are quite popular. The Mid Autumn Festival or Chinese Thanksgiving is celebrated with mooncakes in September. The roundness of the moon represents the reunion of the family. Family members usually gather around and cut a mooncake into pieces and share its sweetness. It is said sentimentally that the moon on the night of Mid Autumn Festival is the brightest and the most beautiful. Chinese people usually set a table outside their houses with mooncakes, snacks, fruits, and pair of candles lit on it. Some believes that by worshipping the moon, change may fulfill their wishes. Children hang paper lanterns in various shapes, resembling animals, plants, or flowers in trees or on houses, creating beautiful scenes at night. This is their favorite activity. Some Chinese people write good wishes on the lanterns for health, harvest, marriage, love, education, etc. In some countryside areas, local people light lanterns that fly up into the sky or make lanterns that float on rivers and release them like prayers of dreams coming true. The Mid Autumn Festival is also celebrated in many other Asian communities besides China. In China, it's a reunion time for families, just like Thanksgiving, while in Vietnam, it's more like Children's Day. Chinese Ice Festival or Harbin Ice and Snow World displays real transparent ice buildings, castles of huge proportions, and sculptures made by people in the daytime, followed by the dazzling colors and light effects at night every year around Christmas. Harbin looks like ice fantasyland then. Icy super slides, ice climbing, skating, skiing, ice mazes, snow fights, and ice biking. The thrill is endless. The Harbin show comprising ice dances, ice magic, clown comedy, catwalks, and ice acrobatics is performed by artists from all over the world 3 times a day. The annual Shoton festival celebrates the Tibetan culture. The Tibetan monks who end their season of year long meditation are honored with yogurt, the Tibetan dramatic operas, and a celebration of Tibetan Buddhism. The festival is marked with competitions, performances, and entertainment. The Chinese also honor Confucius, their most ancient and revered philosopher, by making pilgrimages to his birthplace and celebrating the birthdays of Guanyin, the goddess of mercy, and Mazu, the goddess of the sea. It's time to visit China not only to shop for silk, jade, lanterns, kites, porcelain, and crafts, but also to see murals and detailed paintings and relearn the contributions of the Chinese to the world in the fields of philosophy, cartography, book printing, martial arts, monuments, modern architecture, dazzling technology, and even ice cream. Glossary very differ. Ethnicity people with common culture. Pictographic pictorial. Dazzling very bright. Tofu cheese made from soybean milk. Mooncakes small sweet cakes. Pilgrimages journey to a holy place. Murals wall paintings.